So to do a slip knot, I'm going to take my yarn. I am going to lay it across my fingers, the inside of my hand here. I'm going to wrap it around and cross it, just like that. I'll pinch it with my thumb. Which gives me a little loop here. And then I'm going to take this working yarn, the yarn that is attached to the ball, and I'm going to just put it through the little loop. Now it's creating two little loops. So from here, I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to go into this second loop here, and I am going to pull. I'm going to hold down there and I'm just going to pull tight. Just like that. And that is a slip knot. I'll do it again. Okay, so I'm going to, there's a few ways people do slip knots. So this is the way that I like to do it. So I'm going to lay the yarn on my hand again, on my fingers, and then I'm going to cross it like so. I'm just going to pinch where it's crossed there. I'm going to take my working yarn, the yarn that is attached to my ball, and I'm going to put it through the loop, creating another loop. And that loop is where I'm going to insert my hook, and then I'm going to hold on to that strand and this strand that is attached to my ball, and I'm just going to close it up and pull it tight. And just like that, that is a slip knot. Now I'm going to do a chain. So to do a chain, I'm going to take my yarn, I'm going to wrap it around my hook, and I'm going to pull it through my little loop that was already on my hook from our slip knot. Just like that. And then I'm going to continue doing that for however many chains the pattern requires. It varies for each project, and right now, since I'm just doing a little swatch, I think I'm going to do maybe 10. So there's 2. Again, I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook. I'm going to pull it through the loop that's on the hook. Wrap my yarn around and pull it through. Around and through. Now, let's see how many I have here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do a couple more here. 9 and 10. So there we go. That is a foundation chain with 10 chains. As you can see, they make little V's, almost like a braid. So that's the front, and then that is the back.